Hi Catherine, this is Cody. I wanted to make you a short video. I have been thinking about the problem that you were talking about with regards to gamifying your mini course in a very sensitive subject. You know, that's a time where it might not be suitable to pick a game that isn't completely related. But I love the angle that you were looking at with regards to storytelling and using storytelling as a way to engage people, to have them become interested, and also to allow them to gain a different connection, maybe utilize something like empathy. So one of the things I thought that you might want to include would be something like a Mad Libs. So with something like a Mad Libs, this was something I looked up, how to make your own Mad Libs. You might be able to prompt your user to do some storytelling where you gave them the prompts, which would fill in that blank of maybe something that they don't know, or if you want them to empathize with a certain situation, you could let them name the character, or you could have them choose, you could have even something like a choose your own adventure, where you have kind of given a couple of different options, but they're pulling them in to fill in the story. So there's ways to kind of make simple games that allow people to engage more with the material without going as far as needing an actual game app or, something to that degree. Another thing I thought was something called the empathy map. Empathy map. Okay, so an empathy map is something, they typically use it for, marketing or for elements of trying to get into touch with somebody. But you could do it for characters. So you could tell a story as part of your course and then ask people to fill in the empathy map. You might need to change it slightly to fit the task, but like what do they do? What did they say? What did they see? What do they need to do? Who are we empathizing with? You could change this to suit your to suit the things that you're doing. But what it would allow you to do is have some gamified kind of interactive experience where they're going to kind of get in touch with a character, using some of those elements of storytelling in a really unique way. I'm not sure if any of those are helpful for you, but those are some of the ideas that came to mind when I was thinking about how could one use the elements of gamification without sort of diminishing the value of the content or taking away from a serious topic. I hope that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing your final product.